Hi, it's Tammy with Mary Kay, and today I thought I would share with you how I made these little baggies for the moms of the children who come to my house at Halloween. So I created a little, says trick or treat. I did this on Canva, and it says scan for more info, and I got my QR code here. And then the QR code goes to my LinkPod page, which can take them to my Facebook page, my Facebook group, my website for Mary Kay, or the page where they can go to my calendar and schedule time with me. And then I also included on the back, it has a little coupon. It says $10 in free products when you book a 1-hour facial with me. Book a party and earn $75 for just $35. And then I've got my name and address and my website on there as well. So you'll need some, I got these glue dots from Amazon. And in a previous video, I showed you how to make these little cards with the blush and 3 eyeshadows on a piece of cardstock. In that I showed you to do it with staples, but the glue dots really make it a lot easier. You'll also need a sample. I used these MK Connection labels that you can get and put my little label on the back so that they will have my name and my website, my address, and my phone number. I also include a little applicator for the eyeshadows, a couple candies, and I created this on Canva as well. It's just a little introductory thing about myself, saying, hey, I'd love to meet more neighbors. Here's a little bit about me and my children. I just said that I also teach ballet. I do Mary Kay. My husband has a flight school that I also help him with. And, just... So I think, if people know a little bit more about me and my family, they might be more likely to contact me and maybe book a class. So all you really need are, I've got these little bags on Amazon, and they come with the closures. So I used a hole punch to make a little hole in the tag. But before I put the tag on, I put in this little thing about me and the eyeshadows and blush. So I put those in first, and then I put the little applicator. For this one, I've got the hand cream, so I'll put that in there as well. So I've got lots of nice little samples, and then I put in the candy. And you can do this, however you want. I just put 2 candies in. And then I got this, I put this little thing that wraps around the bag to keep it all closed. And then when the children come to my house on Halloween, I'll just give each of the moms one of these bags. And hopefully I might get some business from it. So anyway, if you are interested, I will put a link to the bags in the description. And if you don't have Canva, it's canva.com. It's super easy to use. You just type in Halloween, and it'll bring up all kinds of designs. And then I went to a website. I just Googled how to create a QR code, and one came up, and it just let me put in my URL to my Mary Kay. Well, actually, I didn't send it to the Mary Kay website. I sent it to my LinkPod so that they can get to a lot of different places on the web related to my business. And it's really very easy to do. So let me know if you try it out and if it was successful. Thank you.